హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, దిస్ ఈజ్ శ్రీదేవి. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. ఈరోజు మరొక బ్యూటిఫుల్ వీడియోతో నేను మీ ముందుకు వచ్చానండి. ఈరోజు మనం చూడబోతున్నాము కొన్ని కస్టమైజ్డ్ టెర్రకోటా జ్యువెలరీ. మనందరికీ తెలిసిందే కదండి, టెర్రకోటా జ్యువెలరీ వేసుకుంటే ఆ లుక్కే వేరు కదా. సో ఏ అవుట్ఫిట్ కన్నా మ్యాచ్ అవుతాయి, అలానే మనకి కావాల్సిన డిజైన్స్లో కావాల్సిన కలర్స్లో అనేది కస్టమైజ్ చేయించుకోవచ్చు. ఈ రోజు మనకి అనిత గారు కొన్ని కస్టమైజ్డ్ టెర్రకోటా జ్యువెలరీ చూపిస్తున్నారండి. మనకు కావాల్సిన అవుట్ఫిట్కి తగ్గట్టుగా తయారు చేసి ఇస్తారనమాట. ఆన్లైన్ కూడా పంపిస్తారు. ఇక్కడ శాంపుల్కి కొన్ని చూపిస్తున్నాము. సో మీకు ఇంకా కావాలనుకుంటే కనుక డైరెక్ట్ కాల్ చేస్తే కనుక మీకు అన్ని డీటెయిల్స్ ఇస్తారు. కలెక్షన్ అయితే చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉన్నాయండి. వీడియోని అయితే స్కిప్ చేయకుండా చూడండి, డెఫినెట్ గా మీకు వీడియో నచ్చుతుంది. సో కలెక్షన్ ఎలా ఉంది, ప్రైసెస్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి అనేది అనిత గారు చెప్తారు. చూసేద్దాం పదండి.
Hi friends, Aruna here. Today I'm going to show you about my jewelry, which is terracotta jewelry. It is made out of clay. It is totally handmade and handcrafted and hand painted. These jewelries are very light and can be worn on any saris, dresses, kurtis, even skirts. So I have small earrings starting from daily wear, starting from 100 rupees, and jhumkas around 300 rupees. And these kind of party wear starts from 500 rupees to 1500 rupees. So small jhumka starts from 350, party wear earrings and again in the same range. These are all silver earrings. This is around 400 rupees. And these are all brass pendant with terracotta beads. Every set has an earring matching to it. We customize your jewelry. We give that exact color matching to your outfits. This range around to 1100 rupees. And next is our pearl finish look. This is an all intricate work. This pearl is also painted. It's not pearl fixed to it. It's all, every jewelry comes with a matching earring and all lightweight. And this is our most hot selling in my page, which is a 3-row beads, which is only beads, which is perfect for your saris, cotton, silk or cotton saris or any pattu saris, which will give a grander look matching with the jhumkas. You can even take studs as well, but right now I have with jhumkas. You can customize any color. These are all were customized for one of the client, and this is a heavy choker which we were customized for a engagement party for the bride, and this will cost around 3200. And these kind of beads can cost around 1800. Please remember that all the sets comes along with the earrings. So these are the smaller sets, will start from 300 to 400 rupees. And this kind of sets suits your cotton wears, which starts around 400 to 600 rupees. We have huge varieties in our Facebook page. Check out on our Facebook page. This is also our only beads. This thing give you a Maharani look, which will give an elegant ethnic look, a grander look I can say. It is only a beads with gold and silver finish. You get earrings for this. Right now the client wanted only the beads. This was the set made for a Bharatanatyam dancer who was talking about her a program, her this thing on a lotus base. So she customized her jewelry, everything which is a lotus shape. So all these jewelries are very light, can be worn on any saris or kurtis, which is very affordable. They are made out of clay, so it is customized to any color you wanted, any kind of shape, any size. If you wanted only beads and silvers are also available. Only on black and silver it's available. You want only on gold for any kind of pattu saris, those are also available with us. And you can see all this kind of work is all done, all handmade, intricate works, and it's all lightweight. It's all lightweight, you don't feel the weight, and you get it properly finished to manner, and you get jhumka matching for this set. If you prefer to a stud, we give you according to the stud also, according to our client preferences. And these are all the balis which are very trendy right now. It goes for your college wear or any small cocktail parties, small family gatherings. So these will give a very good look for any kind of dresses you wear. Let it be a sari, let it be a western, let it be a kurti. This will give a very good look for you. Next these are all raw silk cloth bangles. These are all cloth bangles, not a thread one. These are all maggam worked on the bangles. We match according to the jewelries. If you're buying any kind of jewelry, for an example, this jewelry client wanted matched to this bangle. So it's all maggam worked and stitched on all wooden bangle. It's not a breakable. So as of now, available size with us is 2.6. For the thicker ones, we have 2.4 to 2.6. These are all the colors right now available. These are only the stock left with me right now. You can check on to my Facebook page for more designs, for more party wear collections. These are all the smaller ones, thinner bangles. 2.2 to 2.8 sizes are available, but right now we have only 2.4 to 2.6 sizes. All can be worn by kids or elders too. They are really pretty well. Goes on any kind of gagra cholis, lehengas, any kind of long frocks, gowns. These are any pretty colors can be made. You can take either a one bangle or even you can take as a pair bangle. Yes. So these kind of bangles, each bangle will be 200 rupees. Each bangle is 200 rupees. Any design you can choose. We have almost 8 or 10 designs in it. All the thinner bangles each is 200 rupees. And these kind of thick bangles, so 500 rupees each bangle. Generally we give it as a matching kind of a thing. Like if you go for matching your dresses, so these kind of things it will go. We match one big this side and two smalls in either side, which can be worn on both the hands and match according to the jewelries, which will give a classic look and a perfect finish. So we have bangles, we have jewelries, we have earrings, we have all kind of sets for your skirts, office wear. Check out our Facebook page. If you like any of your designs, you can ping on us on WhatsApp. And I have mentioned most of my pricing. So if you have any doubt regarding my pricing, you can ping me on the designs and ask me for the price. We can get back to us. We even deal on wholesale orders, like we sell to boutiques or for resellers. Most welcome. We have a WhatsApp group on resellers. If you ping us, we'll add you on the WhatsApp group. These are all as of now stocks available and which are all shipping right now worldwide. As of now, I have only left with a few stock. I make only on order basis, ladies. So whenever you give me an order, at that time only we process the order. We make everything, we fire, and then only we paint it. So all my designs are available on my Facebook page. My page is Anika Terracotta. You can check on my page. Prices are not mentioned on my page, but you can get back to us. All kind of antique look finish, everything is available. This is an ethnic one. It's a really very pretty design. Do try our jewelries. Let us know how do you like it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Got some kind of information about terracotta jewelry. These are all being baked sorry, these are all been fired and hand painted so that it's all lightweight. And important things are all, these are all hand painted according to your dress combination. So if you WhatsApp your designs, WhatsApp your colors of your sarees or dresses, we give you an exact match for it. So let it be a jhumka, earrings, or any kind of sets or any kind of party wear. You just tell us this is the occasion, I need a elegant one or a heavy one or a simple one. Everything can be made depending upon your occasion, depending upon your outfit. Let me know if you have any other queries. Ping me us on my Anika page and get back to us if you require to order anything. Thank you so much.
చూసారుగా అండి, ఇంకా చాలా వెరైటీస్ అయితే వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉంటాయి. మీకు ఏ డౌట్ వచ్చినా కానీ వాళ్ళకి మెసేజ్ చేస్తే కనుక వాళ్ళు మీకు రిప్లై ఇస్తారు. సో డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో అయితే నెంబర్ అయితే ఇస్తున్నాను. మీకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే కనుక తప్పకుండా చెక్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ వీడియోస్ కోసం స్టే ట్యూన్. టేక్ కేర్. బాయ్.